All right, today we have a new group project, our first big group project that we're going to start together. It's going to take a couple days, so you want to open the new organelle analogy. I did not attach anything for you because somebody in your group needs to open the analogy and then make a copy for the group. So the other thing we need to see is that we have to pick a topic. So this might be more important to do first, to go research a topic. So an analogy compares the cell to something else. The yellow slides at the end are kind of instructions and grading. And so we can compare the cell to a school, a prison, a city, a video game, a TV show. Family Guy was a fun one once. The video game Fortnite was a popular comparison a while back. A factory, a restaurant, a mall, a machine, a car, a truck, a home, or an app. We can compare to many, many, many things, but none of them will be perfect. And if you go look at them, you're going to find a lot of high school level ideas if you go on the internet to search for examples. So you can search for examples on the internet to give you better ideas, but you have to read them super carefully. If they have words that make no sense or functions we don't talk about that don't match what we're doing, you need to do more research or talk to me. So don't just be copy-pasting. So what we have for these slides, let's see if I have a square arrow I can push. I'm going to push the square arrow. Now this is view only. So once you know what your topic is going to be, you can't edit. Ooh, never mind. You can't edit until you make your own copy. So share and make a copy. Now, if you were smart, you would change the analogy to what you were going to do. But right now, I've made a copy, and I can share it with my group members. There's Tom, still exists. And they are editors. Make sure they're editors. That'll be good. Here's our group project. Great. So I've got that. And I'm going to send that to them. And now they can edit. Back in Google Classroom, I now need to add my work, add attachment. All three group members should do this from Drive. Now, if you made it, it's going to be recent. If you didn't make it, it's going to be shared with me. So that's not it. So it's recent because I made it. I'm going to pull down so it thinks a little. There it is, copy of the organelle analogy. If you don't do this step, I have nothing to grade. Next important thing, you're going to put your group member names. So hopefully you can do this. Nope, not all that. There we go. Each group member needs to do 3 slides, and you need to write down which slides are yours at the bottom. The red boxes are where you can edit. So you edit this box, you edit this box, and you edit this box. The actual function of the organelle is here. That's a part of the picture of the background, and the pictures of the organelle are there. So let's go back and look at a completed example. So if we go back, I compared the cell to an iPad. Don't be lazy and just compare the cell to an iPhone. It would be almost the same thing. So the nucleus I called the settings. So in this red box I wrote settings, and then over here I explained my idea, how settings was like what the nucleus did. Then I got a picture of settings. I compared the Golgi complex to airdrop. Again, I explained my idea. I wrote down who did it, Mookie, and I got a picture. So each slide is 2 points, one for the description and one for the title and the picture. Hopefully you also put your name on it. So again, you just keep going through, comparing to the different parts of a cell. Each of you needs 3 parts. These green ones are for plant cells only, so that's why they changed color. And then at the end, you have the opportunity to say which part was best. And if there's a part that didn't line up well, to say which part didn't quite work. If I agree that it didn't quite work, but you explain that you knew that, you don't lose any points. As before, the yellow slides are explanations and not required, and we're not going to make a video about the yellow slide, but we are going to make a video in the Adobe Spark app and push it out to Flipgrid to share. So we are going to do that. That's a part of the grade, but we're not going to do that today. So this is just a start. Hopefully that helps. Ask me questions if you can't think of an idea in your group.